Hey guys, another video, another month. I know it's been a minute, of course, as I always do. Today, I'm gonna tell you why I believe you should not buy these wheels. The Federall 595, or at least why I'm not gonna buy them ever again. It's basically my year of ownership of these tires, and then basically what I'm going to next. Anyways, today I'm gonna try and get the last rotate I can out of these, because I'm gonna show you how bad they are. And part of it is my fault, not mainly on the tire, mainly on when we did the power steering rack on the front. The car's still not been aligned since then, so I did it that one night where we got it wrong, and then I had to change it a little bit, but it happens. But I got new tires, all four. I'm gonna show you guys one of the new tires that I'm gonna be putting on and why I think they are gonna be better, and show the differences between these Federalls and those. And then, yeah, I'm gonna get them aligned as soon as I get them mounted. They're not mounted yet, obviously, but it'll get done. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how bad like the tires are, if I can, with how dark the ditch is. This side is probably the worst out of the two. Don't mind this, obviously. Yeah, fuck you. But hey, just roast me for my tires, not the curb rash. Look how fucking fucked these are. Let me get a phone. Okay, here's how bad they are. Like, my alignment's so bad that it's rubbed off that whole outside corner. I still have some tread there in the middle, but not really much tread. In the middle, it probably won't pass the penny test, yeah, if you've ever done that. There's more tread on the back here, but yeah. That's why I believe I could probably get one more rotate. I've already rotated these once before, and so these were on the back at one time, but I'll show you the back and just kind of justify why I'm doing this instead of getting it mounted right now. You're not my wallet, so I can't get them mounted right now. But rears are still definitely decent. They're gonna be better up in the front. I'm kind of back to that place of not wanting to drive in the rain because it hydroplanes everywhere. Again, I've never owned a car more that hydroplanes more than this big bitch. Fuck knows why. 4,000 pounds, you thought you'd stay on the fucking ground. See, tread's not that bad on the back. It still has that kind of like effect where you can see they were on the front, so it's like right there. It's kind of smoothed out. But in the back, you're still good. Still good. Still good. But I'm gonna hop on rotating these. I'm gonna do some kind of time lapse with them, and then I'll take it off and show you guys the new tire. See you in a minute. Well, I got that. I thought I could be quick. Alright, I was trying to pause the music so I could show you guys this. Alright, now you can see that I have no way for the water to actually go out. So that's my hydroplaning. It's just the way that alignment got fucked up. And you can see that you can tell it's more lower on this side, like it's cambered in or cambered out, because it would be like this. So it's rubbing more on this side, obviously. So need a fucking alignment, pretty fucking bad, I'd say. We're just at the wear mark completely right there. All right. And here is the new tire. We got a difference here, guys. For starters, they are smaller in width because, I don't know, I just couldn't find tires in the size I wanted, but I wanted to find them in the sidewall size. So these were a 245, 40, 18. Not enough sidewall. I don't know. First time buying tires was buying tires specifically. So I don't really know how tires look as far as aspect ratios go yet. I'm learning. This tire needs to stay up against this. So these are Lexani. Probably some shit you've never heard of. I'd never heard of it before, but for starters, these are 235, 50, 18. So it's not a huge difference compared to them, but it's a little more sidewall. Just testing the water, see how it looks. I don't know. In my head, I have something how I want it to be, but it doesn't ever come out how it's supposed to be. But for starters, too, on these, the Federall 595's were a definitely more soft type of material, like rubber. And these ones, I can tell, are way harder. They're just harder. That's what it is. So I imagine they're gonna be a lot longer lasting than those. Had them about a year. Year on the car. Had them a little over a year, but had them on the car about a year. That's how they fared. I don't think that's that great, yeah. So I don't think I'll be buying Federall 595's anymore. I only bought them because every YouTuber buys them. That's what you always hear, so try them out. Just don't think I'll be buying them again for daily driving usage. That's probably where I fucked up, so. But anyways, these are a little better. They don't have flat spots. And there's not a whole bunch of fucking room for like rain to get out, except for these. I don't know, in my head I like shit to just go out. Makes more sense. I don't know. Instead of just throw it all back. But who knows? I'm stupid. I'm not the one designing fucking tires. I'm the one putting them on my goddamn car. So I expect to probably make an appointment. Not this week. Today is Saturday. I'll probably try to get him in appointed next week. Sorry, not next week, but the week after that. Just so I'll be safe on like money and shit like that. But you guys get it. Alright? Back to hold it. So I hit a point where I realized everything I said about waiting a week on getting these tires mounted and balanced and all other shit, it really needs to happen like next week, like the week before I was saying. Because as I was looking at this fucking tire, I can see wires. Not wires, but you know, that white rubber bandy shit. Yeah, here, I'll just get real close for you. Alright, so you can kind of see there. There's some wires here, and if I can get closer, yeah, you can really see it there. So, thought that tire was worse. Guess this one's worse, but I didn't look over that one that bad, so it could be worse. I don't know. Either way, need to fucking get them mounted. Yeah, these things come back over, so just know it gets worse. Alright, here's even more of a reason not to fucking buy these, I think. Look at this. Alright, let's see if I can get it without holding it up. Look at that. Motherfucker's just disintegrated on the inside, and it's like split in lines. You see it? Like, what the fuck? I don't go down gravel roads, too. That's my other thing. I go down my brother's to get to his house at literally 5 miles a fucking hour because I do not like driving down gravel roads at all. This tire's completely fucked. And you're probably thinking, why don't I do an alignment? I don't know how. I want to learn, but I haven't learned yet. This thing is just semi-slicks right here. And then it's fucking destroyed in that area right there. Like there's a chunk missing right here. Here, you can't even see it. There's a chunk missing right there. Starting to there. Another line. More wire. I don't know. Am I the idiot? Probably. Leave it in the comment. This bitch, goddamn. I think my other thing is too, I like to drive fast in corners. I don't really drive fast in a straight line. Corners are where it's fun. So, of course I'm gonna whip through these tires in their fucking tread. While I'm stopped up, I wanna de-recommend another fucking thing. I would not recommend buying these 1320, and no, it's not the real 1320, I know that. It was just fucking something on Amazon or eBay. But they're just lug nuts that look like this. They come with a socket that adapts to it. You're only supposed to hand tighten them with that T-iron thing, cross iron, whatever the fuck you want to call it. And that's okay. That's why I'm doing it by hand, not ugga-dugga and everything. But you can tell that over time they've just kind of gotten rusty around the bits. Like, it's hard to tell with here. I'll move more of that. Hard to tell a little bit, but where the shit clicks it all there, you can tell it's all getting rusted. So don't buy these, buy real ones. I always wondered why some people sell lug nuts for $500 fucking dollars. Maybe they don't rust after you take them off. That would be a nice fucking benefit. Alright, it's done. There's one other thing I wanted to show you guys too. I mentioned last video that me and Clayton went to a junkyard and got some parts like my rear view mirror. I also got this thing that goes in the armrest center console thing down on the bottom. Never had one when I got the car, so. Also got those strut tower covers, the big black circles that go on top. Didn't have those, so I got those. The whole purpose of the trip was to go and see if I could find a rear view mirror because I misplaced mine and the wink mirror is gone. Still yet to make a video on the mirror I got for it. It's more than just the old stock mirror, but also found this, and this was kind of like the highlight of it. This. It's just a black, I'm gonna call it tombstone because that's what they're called Miatas, and I like the name for that. So I got this black tombstone which will replace the chrome one that's in there right now. This is like what's in Clayton's, so his is black like this. The only flaws to this thing, there's one of these little vents right here. It's not even a vent, it's just one of the lines. It's split, but you can get super glue. I'm pretty sure one of mine is broke right now. I don't know which one, you can't tell. I fixed that up, you're not gonna be able to tell. That's the thing. Other thing is too, the park anywhere lights, the buttons are wore down, along with, why is the no airbag, it's not even a button. Why are you touching this? Are you just button mashing everything when you press this? Like if anything, I always see the traction control lights off. That's nothing right now. It's empty. But clean it up a little bit. Other than that, it's going in there. Thinking about doing it tomorrow. I don't know when the fuck I'll do it. Mom's pulling up right now. It's cut. Alright, before I go, that was about it. I'm gonna try to do that at some point. I'd like to do it tomorrow because in reality it's not that hard of a job to do, and it would just be nice to do, nice to look at every day. So with that, if you guys liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, make sure to comment. I don't care, it's all traction. YouTube picks it up. Tell me you hate me. Tell me what you ate today for breakfast. I want to hear it. Other than that, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to come back. Hit the bell. We appreciate everything. You guys are awesome. I'm the one that's shitty and doesn't upload because I'm lazy, but I'll get to it. Promise. It feels good to know that you guys want the videos. Just keep support up. Thank you. Appreciate it. Love you guys. Peace.
I'ma eat this vagina. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Stop pausing my damn beat.